Welcome back to Gavishri TET classes. In this video, I am going to tell complete English grammar package for all upcoming exams like TET, CET, STA, FTA exams. ಓಕೆ ಏನೇನು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತ್ರೀ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವೊಕ್ಯಾಬ್ಯುಲರಿ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ರಹೆನ್ಷನ್. ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಿಂಗ್ 11 ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ alphabets, second articles, parts of speech, tenses, active voice and passive voice. Next, direct and indirect speech, error detection, question tag, prefix and suffix, degrees of comparison, genders. These are from alphabet to genders we are completing in English grammar part. Okay, next move on to vocabulary part. Okay, next in vocabulary part, we are covering completely 8 topics. First one, synonym, antonym, one word substitution, items and phrases, phrasal verbs, spelling mistake, singular and plural, animal, female and male opposite words. Okay. The last third part, that is comprehension. Here we are going to discuss about 2 topics. The first one is passage and para jumble PQRS. Okay, students, you got some idea regarding the topics which are very important for all competitive exams, especially for TET and CET students. I hope you are clear about the topics and note down all the topics and share this video with your friends who all are preparing for competitive exams. In the next video, I am going to teach each and every topic in detail. Until then, stay connected, stay focused, and thanks for watching.